This is Dave, for example, we are looking to the euro, which has nicely dropped in here from this Friday range, and it's going to the previous week Friday's range again. So I think this drop is possible, right? So just to show you, if you are interested, you can look at my past videos where I actually have predicted this move above this range. You can see on the level which levels which has reacted in here, and now we are getting this drop, right? So it's basically happening in here. This was the move above this Friday's range, and now we are going down, right? But what I want to mention in here is if we look to the 4 hours time frame, because currently we are on the 1 hour. If you look to the 4 hours, and you can see in this in here we have this beautiful fair value gap, right? Which once the price closes below it, which has happened in here, becomes inverted fair value gap, right? And now look at this, remember this level, and going back to the 1 hour, and you can see in here how we had this run above this Asian session high in here, and how the price has reacted exactly in the midpoint of this fair value gap, and then it's sold off from here, right? So if you don't take anything from this video, just knowing these inverted fair value gaps are very powerful. That's what you can see recently on my analysis, right? So that's what I'm using, and I found it very powerful, right? So yeah, so what I'm expecting right now, I do think that this low still will be visited, right? So what I'm expecting in here, in the beginning of the week, we could get a pullback above this into this fair value gap, or also in here these last two candles before the price went up to take out this liquidity. It's actually our breaker, right? So if I draw it correctly, for I should use the rectangle tool again and drop it like that, right? And like this, right? So for the breaker, I'm using a blue color. So let me set it to the blue like that. It's basically not seen because it's covering, but anyway, and again, the midpoint of the breaker is in here, right? So that's where the price actually could go also, and from where it could potentially drop lower, right, into the these lows, right, or even potentially lower. So that's what I'm looking for in the next week. All right, have a great trading week.